Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are at Palm Vista, a project by Provident Housing, a Puravankara group of company. Talking about this company, a Puravankara Group. Puravankara Group is a pan-India level company. They have got the head office in Bangalore and they have got all the projects in all over India. And this is the first time they are coming up in Mumbai, in Shilphata, in Dombivli location. So yes, like it's a very great opportunity for people looking for a house which has a very good brand name, very good reputation in the market, a very trusted construction quality. So this all really matters when you're looking for a house for yourself or for the sake of investment. So here the construction quality that you will be getting is of My1 technology. And guys, you know what? They have made an construction kind of a museum inside the sales office wherein they specifically explain each and everything to the customer who is visiting at the site, because that is very marvelous. Ideally the people are very interested to know कि grill कैसे लग रही है, कौन सी क्वालिटी की लग रही है, मेरी जो वाटर प्रूफिंग हो रही है वो कितनी इफेक्टिव है, और फिर बाकी आपका जो बीच में जो कॉलम ब्लॉक्स हम यूज़ करते हैं कॉमन वॉल्स में, तो वो कौन से ब्लॉक्स है, वो कौन से क्वालिटी के है. इवन ग्रिल का भी डिटेलिंग आपको मिल रहा है हर एक चीज़ का, राइट फ्रॉम योर विंडो टू एवरीथिंग. So this gives a customer 100% satisfaction when they come at the site because they get each and every detail about it. This is a very new launch which is happening on the Shilphata road. So the location of this project is exactly on the Shilphata circle. So you will all be knowing this Kalyan Shilphata circle. So from Kalyan Shilphata circle it is hardly 300 meters distance. So you can say 1 minute driving distance exactly near to the Shil circle. Location की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो ये बहुत ही close है नवी मुंबई से. I'll say hardly 5 minute driving distance है नवी मुंबई से. Very close to Ghansoli station, that is 10 minutes driving distance. Very close to Koparkhane as well, again hardly 8 to 10 minutes driving distance. वहाँ पे यहाँ से 5 minute है and यहाँ से आप नवी मुंबई जा सकते हो, वाशी जा सकते हो, सांपाड़ा जा सकते हो. Everything is very close by. Basically Navi Mumbai is the nearest location for the people who are looking a house over here. Also second location is Thane. Thane यहाँ से it is like 30 minutes or 20 minutes driving distance. Dombivli is again 20-25-30 minutes driving distance. But of course a very ideal location for people who are looking to have a house very close to Navi Mumbai, especially if they are working towards Navi Mumbai, or if they want to buy a house in Navi Mumbai but the pricing has increased so they couldn't afford it, or it's just going out of their ticket size. So this is the perfect place for you guys. Let's just go inside and watch a complete tour about this beautiful project launch that has happened recently. So guys, first we'll talk about the model, which is very important. So here you will have a basic understanding about the project. This over here you will see is your Kalyan Shilphata road over here on this side of the land parcel. So this total land parcel is of 16 acres, out of which we are currently developing phase 1, which is of 7 acres, wherein there will be 7 towers only in that 7 acres. Okay, so 7 towers are this all towers that you can see over here. The main entrance is from here. This is the internal DP road which is developed by Puravankara currently. So this is your main entry of Palm Vista project. You can see on this side. So from here you will enter to your apartment. The entire towers that you can see is of G plus 30 story apartments. Here there is another gate which you can see on the main Kalyan Shilphata road. That is our second entry exit. Okay, that one was the main one which I showed you before. So the project is on the podium level, wherein there are total 60 amenities, wherein 24 amenities are on podium level, 24 amenities are below podium level, and rest 12 amenities are inside the clubhouse. So clubhouse that you can see on that side next to the pool, there's a model of G+2, that is our clubhouse. So there you will be having all the modern amenities inside the project. Apart than that, we are giving you a car parking. Car parking is again of 3 level. So there are one level on the ground, one on the basement, and one is on the podium level. So this is how your 3 level car parking is given to you. Apart than that, talking about the visitor car parking space, we have also provided a lot of visitor car parking space for the guests coming inside your house or any friends or relatives, which you can see a section over here. Some part of it is over here out of the 35 and some part is on the other side of the project. So that is how your visitor car parking is allocated. Apart than that, all these amenities, can you see over here there are retail shop designs that you can see. There are 35 retail shops which is yet not opened by the developer, but they will be soon. So you can also have the opportunity for an investment in the retail shops. So guys, now we are moving towards the construction museum that we just spoke about. I'll just give you a glimpse about it. The rest will be explained by the salesperson at the side. Please come. So this is a small glimpse of the construction museum that we have made all for you guys. When you'll come over here, you will be having every bits of detail given to you, right from your grill fitting to your internal fittings. Then moving ahead towards your bathroom fitting, we'll be moving towards the house quality, how your construction is done of your internal and external house construction, how we build your homes, and last but not least about the parking, which is also a sensitive topic for every customer who is buying a house. So even that details we have provided you here. Isn't it amazing? I mean, the experience overall over here is very good as a buyer. So guys, now let's go towards the actual show flat of the project. Here we have got 1 BHK and 2.5 BHK. So it is like something like if you want a 2 BHK, so every time customer thinks कि अरे थोड़ा सा पैसा डाल के मैं 2.5 क्यों नहीं कर लूँ, क्योंकि एक्स्ट्रा रूम होगा तो गेस्ट या फिर फैमिली मेंबर या रिलेटिव के लिए यूज होगा या तो स्टडी रूम के लिए यूज हो जाएगा फॉर किड. So this is the concept, that is the reason we have got 1 BHK and straight 2.5 BHK. So right now we are entering inside the 2.5 BHK show flat, which is the carpet size of 764. So you can see this is the size of your hall, this is the layout of your hall. So on this side of the house, if you'll see, there is a sitting area given to you on over here. Opposite to that is usually your TV area. Again, if you'll see the size of the hall, it's around 10 by 15 square feet. Every description of the dimension will be below mentioned on your screen so that you have a complete understanding about the carpet area detailed. So this is how your hall will be. Moving towards the balcony space. In every part of your house, there is a balcony which has been provided to you. So here there is a 3 feet balcony space. This is how deep your balcony will be, which will be 3 feet. So it's a complete size of your hall, like if you'll see the length of the balcony, it's completely like 10 feet and 3 feet is your breadth. I'm just showcasing you here for your understanding. These windows will be having the mosquito net also inside your window fittings. Moving towards the kitchen side. Kitchen एक ऐसी जगह होती है ना for especially us ladies, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें बहुत बोर होता है कभी कभी खाना बनाने, क्योंकि कोई होता ही नहीं है, किसी से बात नहीं कर सकते हम, हॉल अलग होता है, किचन अलग होता है. बट आई एम रियली लाइकिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ अ कंसेप्ट दिस डेज. जो आपका ओपन किचन कंसेप्ट है, काफ़ी ट्रेडिशनल थिंकिंग के हिसाब से काफ़ी लोगों को पसंद नहीं भी आता है, बट मुझे बहुत पसंद है और आई एम श्योर दिस जनरेशन पीपल विल बी लविंग इट टू. बिकॉज जब अगर यहाँ पे कोई हॉल में बैठा हुआ है, जैसे मेरे कोई फैमिली मेम्बर यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं एंड आई एम कुकिंग ओवर हियर, सो इट गिव्स मी अ लॉट ऑफ लिबर्टी फॉर देम, for me to chit chat with them while I am cooking my food, and also it does not makes me feel alone like I am over here and वहाँ पे TV चल रहा है and everything. Plus ये open kitchen concept की वजह से क्या होता है ना, आपका जो hall है और जो kitchen है वो काफ़ी बड़ा दिखता है. So any houses that this kind of a concept is there, automatically उनका घर बहुत ही uplifted और बहुत ही spacious लगता है. Plus काफ़ी ज़्यादा सफोकेटिंग भी नहीं लगता क्योंकि पूरा ओपन है, बहुत ही अच्छे से आप आराम से कुक कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज समथिंग आई रियली लाइक. सो यहाँ पे आपका इसी तरीके से 2.5 में आपका किचन लेआउट है, जहाँ पे आपको डेडिकेटेड हर एक चीज़ के लिए प्रॉपर प्रोविजन दिया हुआ है. जहाँ पे अगर आप आके देखेंगे, सो दिस साइड ऑफ द एरिया हैज़ बीन प्रोवाइडेड फॉर योर फ्रिज सेक्शन. अपार्ट देन दैट यहाँ पे आपका पूरा कुकिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, सर्विंग प्लेटफॉर्म वाला स्पेस आ जाता है. अगेन दिस ऑल थिंग्स इज जस्ट फॉर शोइंग इट, आप उसको अपने तरीके से अपने स्टाइल से डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. अगेन देर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया विच इज नाउ डेज आई गेस एवरी डेवलपर इज गिविंग, विच इज योर वॉशिंग मशीन सेक्शन. सो ये वाले सेक्शन पे आपकी जो है वॉशिंग मशीन आ जाती है, जहाँ पे आपको एक काफ़ी ज़्यादा डेप्थ दिया हुआ है. मतलब आज की तारीख में कैसे वॉशिंग मशीन के साइजेस अलग अलग होते हैं, तो यहाँ पे हर साइज की वॉशिंग मशीन आ जाएगी, इतना स्पेस दिया हुआ है. प्लस देयर इज अ गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ ग्रिल एंड विंडो दैट यू योरसेल्फ कैन विटनेस व्हेन यू विल कम एट द साइड. आपको एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग उससे डेप्थ में आ जाएगी. सो नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द अदर साइड ऑफ द हाउस. ओवर हियर इज योर कॉमन वॉशरूम सेक्शन which is very well designed by them. Of course you can design it the way you want, but this is a very smart design. You know, जब आप शो फ्लैट विजिट करते हो ना, तो इससे ना आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी आता है कि आप किस किस तरीके से कौन सी न्यू डिज़ाइनिंग की टेक्निक्स यूज़ कर सकते हो आपके फ्लैट को सजाने में. Here you will be getting a basin of Hindwar brand. Then there's a Jaguar fitting commode, and there's a window for your ventilation purpose, and there's a shower fitting, sanitary fittings. All are this by Jaguar. The space of the washroom is quite very decent enough. Now moving towards the first bedroom of the house, which is on this side. So if you'll see this bedroom space is designed very smartly. So the reason I'm saying smartly, because this is your bedroom space, the dimensions are below mentioned. Over here if you can see, everything is there inside this bedroom, right from your bed to your workspace to your wardrobe space to your window, and there's a balcony as well. As I said, there will be balcony for every room. So why I'm saying this is designed smartly, reason being this bed of yours, you can fold it. So if you do not want this space to be wasted in the daytime when nobody is sleeping on this bed, you can just fold it up and it can be utilized as a sofa. Apart than that, of course you'll be asking me कि अच्छा wardrobe कहाँ रहेगा. So there's a smart thing that this guys has done. You can also design it this way, or you can design any of the way that you like. Here you can keep your clothes, and the same is there on the other side of the bed. So even there you can keep your clothes just like this one. So this is a smart kind of a wardrobe technique that has been done. It's very much self enough for a person who is just one person living in this house, or you can design the way you want. There are many there on Pinterest. So this is your balcony area. Again, this is good size balcony. In the length also it's like quite long. So let's move towards the master bedroom. So this space that you are seeing, this is a 10 by 10 space, which is your rectangular shape I am talking about, not the passage from where you entered, proper rectangular area. Apart than that, there is this wardrobe space given to you, which is I guess 2 feet deep. Okay, so from here till this space, this is your complete wardrobe area. We have designed in this way. You can make it more bigger and larger wardrobe if you want. There's an attached washroom on this side of the house. So there's a basin, exactly the same way you will be getting fittings. So here will be this kind of a basin fitting given to you over here. Then there will be a Jaguar commode over here. Apart than that, of course, this is just for the representation purpose. You can do it this way in future when you get the possession. You can do it this way. Whereas this is your shower area. So it's a decent size bathroom, I'll say, quite very self-sufficient. So here in master bedroom also there is a balcony. So now moving towards the last but not least, last bedroom of the house. As you are already aware, this is a 2.5 BHK. So this is your 0.5 BHK that I'll be explaining you on this side. So as you enter, this is your space. So as it is correctly mentioned, it is 0.5 BHK. Here we have given you a sofa cum bed. You can utilize the way you want, or you can design the way you want. This is your additional space that you can keep for anything. This side is your wardrobe area. So again, apart than this space that you are seeing, there's an additional area 2 feet deep inside, which is given for your dedicated wardrobe space. Apart than that, there's also a balcony space over here. For, as you can see, this is a 0.5 BHK, especially for kid or for a student or for a single person. So the space is very well sufficient for a bed as well as the wardrobe. Also, that person get a privacy over here, which is having a good decent space of balcony for a single person. Very well designed. So guys, this was the tour of 2.5 BHK. Guys, 1 BHK will be explained to you at the site when you come here. 1 BHK carpet area is 394. So which will also be having the balconies in all the rooms. So that is very good for everybody who are balcony lover. Apart than that, coming to the conclusion that what is so great about this project or why should we buy our houses over here. Reason being, the prices are very attractive. I'll give you a glimpse about the pricing. The 1 BHK goes around somewhere 40 lakh all inclusive, and 2.5 BHK is somewhere costing around 76-77 lakh rupees. For the detailed understanding of the offer, pricing and the brochure, please go in the description and get an understanding about it, or you can call on the given number, or you can WhatsApp on the given number. So your all the details will be taken care. Coming back to the reason that why you should be going for, as you all know, Navi Mumbai is expensive, and also many people are not aware of it, but the projects which are close to the Sheel Fata circle are very expensive nowadays. Earlier the prices were very low, but now the prices has appreciated a lot. Apart than this all things, again you'll say, okay, what is more special that I should lean towards this project more? Reason being, you are getting a very good flexi payment scheme which is not there available in the market. As you all will be knowing, जैसे जैसे डिमांड जाएगा वैसे वैसे आपको पे करना होता है, which is called as CLP प्लान. यहाँ पे आपको फ्लेक्सी पेमेंट प्लान मिलने वाला है जहाँ पे आपके कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से, आपकी सहूलियत के हिसाब से आप पेमेंट कर सकते हो. तो ये सबसे बड़ा एक बाइंग पैरामीटर होता है फॉर अ कस्टमर हु इज प्लानिंग टू बाय अ हाउस, क्योंकि एवरीबडी इज नॉट कंफर्टेबल या एवरीबडी इज नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ अ लोन. So guys, do not miss this opportunity of flexi payment and the pricing and the new opportunity to park your money at the right place. Last but not the least, construction matters a lot for someone who is buying a house, because house is all about construction. So यहाँ पे एक सेपरेटली म्यूजियम सिर्फ इसी चीज़ के लिए बनाया है ताकि आपको हर एक डिटेल मिल सके कि हमने क्या क्या यूज़ किया, किस तरीके से यूज़ किया और किस तरीके से इसको टेक केयर किया जाता है, ताकि आपका जो सपनों का घर है वो हमेशा एक बेटर तरीके से रहे. गाइस, पूर्वांकरा जो कंपनी है ये एक पैन इंडिया लेवल की कंपनी है. तो आप सोच सकते हो अगर एक पैन इंडिया लेवल की कंपनी में अगर आप घर ले रहे हो तो आपका कंस्ट्रक्शन कितना ही प्रीमियम होगा. तो ये सारा एक्सपीरियंस आपको साइट मिलेगा. सो एज आई एम कंक्लूडिंग अगेन, लोकेशन, कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी, प्राइसिंग एंड पेमेंट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी प्लान, दिस आर ओनली द 4 थिंग्स जो एक कस्टमर को चाहिए होता है घर लेने के टाइम. तो ये सारी चारों चीज़ें आपको यहाँ पे मिल रही है साइट पे. ऑल्सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, एंड वी विल बी कमिंग अप विद द वीडियोज़ quite sooner than this one. I am so sorry for the delay. Thank you so much.